the oil change in the Mustang. That's a 7/8. That's that one. I'm taking a wee bit out of it. Funny size, you see. So, Torco ZEP's zinc additive, and I'm going to be putting in some lifter treatment as well. Trying, because this is a flat tappet cam. There's lots of the zincs. They do say if you put in too much zinc it wipes it out, but who knows, rather be too much than too little. The zinc in oil, but you just trust it. In these days of trying to save money economics, I mean, you get your Aldi's telling you it's 4% beef, you know what I mean? And that's not the case. So, in this lifter treatment as well, I've had really good results with this. There's your lifter treatment. Well, I'm going to need something to wipe the oil. Aye. That's a problem, isn't it? Oh, there's a cloth, that'll do it. So that's a wee bit of oil added in. I've took about 3-4 litres out. Left some in the bottom because I don't want to lose oil pressure in this engine. I noticed a bit of tappet chatter, so I've just put a lifter treatment in there, and I'll just need to see what it settles at, and I'll add some oil later. I need to go up a unit and get some paper and wipe all this down. So this is a 351 Cleveland. These are very good strong engines, used them in NASCAR, 4-bolt mains and all that stuff. This is the engine that was in the Mad Max cars in Australia. The Windsor ones, the 5 litres, they're more ready. They don't make the kind of torque characteristics of these. These are giant killing engines, these things, when they're tuned. It's a 2V, small port, so I get good torque characteristics at it. I've talked enough, I think it's time to do a dip. Get the dipstick, Jimmy. Well, it's official, brain fog. I locked my keys in my overalls in the boot. Luckily there's a trap door. So, keys retrieved. I can finish this job and go and buy some blue roll. Bent my wee probe and everything, opening that trap door. God. I really need this jag. I really need this jag. I'm slowing up, my brain's slowing up.
Save from myself, locked the keys in the boot of the Mustang. I had to go through the ski hatch to get the keys back. That's the job finished. So this video is just for fun. Don't copy me, don't lock the keys in the boot, because they'll end in tears. I'm just used to fixing other people's fuck ups, so I'm actually well trained in fixing my own fuck ups. Anyway, see you soon in the next video.